Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so today I'm here to introduce a new way that you can make money online without investment. Yeah. So a lot of people have been testing me like, yo, bro, you have stopped doing free way to make money online. So I've started. So right now, I'm here to introduce a new platform, a new app that you can make money from it without any experience, any degree, anything. All you need is just your phone. Yeah, and you can make 500 cedis per day. Depends on how serious you are. Yeah, so I'll leave the link of this platform in the description in case you want to download the app and start. It's very simple. Yeah, so when you open the app, you see that we have home, we have category, we have shop, we have account. First of all, after registering your account, you have to verify your account. Yeah. So when you verify your account, then it comes to your home. So when it comes to your home, you see that we have accessories, we have ACs, bag, bath, we have beauty, beddings, biscuits, board games, Christmas. You see, we have a lot of things over here. Yeah. So you just need two ways to make this money. And that's what I'm about to teach you. So please pay critical attention about these things. Yeah. Before you can make huge money on this platform, first of all, you have to create either TikTok account, YouTube account, or Facebook account. And I will show you the reason why I said you have to create YouTube account, TikTok account, or even Facebook account. Yeah. So this platform, you don't need to invest anything, but you can make huge money from this platform. Yeah. So let's assume you are a lady and you are good in fashion, you love clothes and everything. You can be in their beauty. You see that we have beauty over here. You can be in their beauty, sell their makeup things, their beauty styles and everything. You see, yeah. And if you're so this is your beauty stuff. So let's assume that you're good in makeups and everything. Yeah, you can set up a TikTok, Facebook, YouTube accounts purposely for makeups and what make brushes. Yeah, you can set up this thing like how to do makeups on TikTok. So you can do these videos on this TikTok. And one thing about this, like you can even purchase some of these products. So when you are doing your videos, then you leave the link of these products in the description. So when people click on it and purchase, you'll be getting money. So that's how I'll be teaching you right now. Yeah. So when you set up the accounts, finish, and you'll be doing your videos and everything, then this is what you'll be making the money. So if I click on rose water, so rose water is 69 Ghana cedis on the platform. So since I have set my everything on the platform, like I want to set this rose water toner. They use it for makeup, I think so. Yeah, I can do videos about this rose water toner. Then I will click on this share. So this share, I've seen that the actual price of the product is what 69 Ghana cedis. So I can add my own profits on it. So you have added 0.00 as a profit to this product. So I can say that I want to add either 6 cedis or 13 cedis to this. So if I add 13 cedis to this, it means that I'll be selling this product on my YouTube channel, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp at 82 cedis. So it means that when anyone purchase this product, I have 13 cities on it. I can even say that I want to add, let's say, 20 cities on it. So when someone purchase this product from my link, I'll be getting what, 89 Ghana cedis. So I'll just click on share products, and you will copy the link over here. Yeah. So when you create videos about this product and people click on your share link and they purchase this product, you have 20 Ghana cedis on it. It's very simple like that. Yeah, that is why I said that this one, you just have to create YouTube accounts, just do videos about these products. Yeah, so let's assume you are into, like, let's say eyebrow. So I can click on it. So if I click on it, the actual price of the eyebrow is what, 100 Ghana cedis. 100 Ghana cedis. So I can say that I want to sell this product and I'll add my profit on it, like 20 cedis. So I'll be selling this product on 120 cedis. So when someone buy this product, I have 20 cedis as what, profits. And one thing about this is that you will withdraw all this money straight into your mobile money. You can withdraw the money into your mobile money or your bank account. You see that thing, your mobile money or bank account. It's just simple. You don't need any degree, any certificates. You just have to listen to what I'm saying, and you'll be making a lot of money from these things. Yeah. So that's why I say, like, let's say you are into health and fitness. Health and fitness. You see that thing? You are into health and fitness. You can start up a fitness channel. The reason why I always recommend this, I also recommend like starting up a social media platform, is that right now a lot of people are on social media searching on what to buy, what is good, what is not good. So when you set up a YouTube or TikTok account doing videos about this stuff, like, yo, you have a new 3-in-1 ladies casual sports shorts. So you can even purchase one and be doing these videos about it. You can wear it. If you can't wear it, you can even get a model to do it for you. Yeah, then they will be doing these stuff. You see that thing? So when someone just purchase the product, you have your share from it. So let's assume that I want to sell this 3-in-1 ladies casual sports shorts. So I'll just click on it. So if I click on these things on the market, they are selling it for 138 Ghana cedis. 138 Ghana cedis. I can choose to go to share and add, let's say, if the reason why we don't add huge profit is that, imagine it's 138 and you add 20 cedis to it. That total price for 338. You are even getting profits than the seller, or is it that one? The reason why, if you're adding your profits, you have to study the market. Let's assume that right now a lot of people are talking about this 3-in-1 shorts, 3-in-1 ladies casual sports shorts. You see that thing, and you know that you are a huge influencer. At times, if you're a huge influencer, anything you do about this product, people think that because of you, they will buy it. But if you're not a huge influencer, you have to think about the profits you are adding to the product. So that thing. So the profit 13 to 27 cedis is cool. You see, you can even add, let's say, 27 cedis to it. So when someone buy these products, you have 27 cedis per one product. So imagine you selling 12 per day. You are making a lot of money. You see that thing? It's simple as that. So that's why I said that if you want to start these things, all you have to do is what? Just create a channel, that talks about what you want to sell. You can even create a website to do it. But me, I prefer being on TikTok and YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, doing reels, short videos about these products. You see, and people will be buying it. So I've seen a lot of people wearing this thing. Yeah. So I've been seeing this basic running bra. I've seen a lot of people wearing these things a lot in the gym. So I can even create a YouTube account, TikTok account talking about these things. And this one at times is very cool for ladies to do these videos. You see that thing? Yeah. So when they do the videos, they showcase it very well. You'll be getting markets. Yeah. So when they do it very well, you just click on the share, you add your price. So let's say this one, let's say ladies like wearing it. So I can say that I want to add profit of 50 Ghana cedis. So I'll be selling this one for 220 Ghana cedis. When people buy it, I have interest or have profit of what 50 Ghana cedis per one. So imagine I'm able to sell 10 pieces of this thing. I'm getting 500 Ghana cedis without any skills, any degree, any investment. All you have to do is what? Just create accounts, talk about this, put your link and another description. That's all. And you're ready to what? Make some cool cash. You just don't have to add anything. Like, you don't need. All you have to do at times, if you are even shy to unveil your face, you can do like what I'm doing right now. You said that thing. You can't see my face, but I'm doing it the right way. You see, all you have to do is what? Let someone wear it and showcase very well. You can do voiceover and you post it. You see, as simple as that. Yeah. So I will also show you how you can also create a market or a shop on this platform. But today, I want to show you how you can like sell it and make money. So if you are a boy and you also want to start, I can say that I want to start with sneakers. So this one is what? Air Jordan 4 white navy. So the actual price of this Air Jordan is what? 334.80 Ghana cedis. So 334 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. So we have sizes. We have 41, 44, 42, 43, 40 sizes, 45. So you have to know the sizes as well. So every size comes with what price. You see, and this one they all have the same amount. You see, yeah. So you can do all these things one by one. So let's say Jordan 4, 45, 45 size. Then you click on the share. You can say that I want to add 66 cedis on it. So I'll be selling this one for 400 Ghana cedis. It's very normal. So when someone buys, I have 66 cedis as what profit on this thing. You see, yeah. So then you click on share products and you copy your address over here and you go to, let's say, your videos, you showcase the sneaker and you put the link in the description. Like, if you want this sneaker, click on the link to buy this sneaker. Very simple as that. Is that thing? Yeah, very simple as that. So this one, you don't need to have any money. Like, you don't need to have any income on it. Nah, you will get anything on this platform to buy. Anything, you see. And so if you want to sell something too, you will get anything. That's why I said that. So let's say I'm into tech, so I like computers and everything. So this new 2023 MacBook Pro M3 Pro chip, 18 gig, 512 gig, it's 16 inches, and it's going for 36,000. 36,000. So this is the spec. Yeah. So if I want to sell this thing, I'll just click on the share. So I can say that, okay, this amount I want to add 7,300 to this amount. So it means that I'll be selling these products for 43,800. So when someone purchase these products, I have 7,300 as what my profits. I can even say that I want to add 10,000 as the profit. So I'll be selling this thing for 46,500. So when someone purchases these products, I'll be getting 10,000 as profit without any investment. I didn't invest anything in this thing. All I have to do is what? Just do videos about this MacBook, put the link in the description. When someone wants it, he or she will click on it, purchase it, and I'll get my commission from it. Simple as that. You see, yeah, this one you don't need any money to start. You don't need any investments. So this one is new iPhone 15 Pro. That's 256 gig physical SIM unlocked, and it's going for 17,500. So 17,500, and I want to sell these iPhones. I'll just click on the share. That's why I always say that it's better for you to create TikTok accounts, Instagram accounts, Facebook accounts, and YouTube accounts, so that you will do videos about these products, and when they see the spec, everything, they'll purchase it. You see, so you can add 3,500 as profit on this share product, and you copy it. So if you copy it, when people click on the link you just copied under your description or under your video, and they purchase it, you'll be getting 3,500 as what profit. You can even add more, like 5,000. You see, so you'll be selling this iPhone for 22,500. So when people purchase this thing, you have 5,000 as what? As your profits. You see, as simple as that. All you have to do is what? Like, have strategy for how you market the products. Have a strategy. That's why you also need someone who is an expert like me, like our team, that will guide you. That's why I said that if you are a beginner, you can create all this social media platform, do videos about these products, put your link under it. When people purchase it, you have your commission from it. As simple as that. Yeah. So if you want to be on this platform, I will leave the link in the description. Yeah, you join it, you create an account, you verify the account, then you start selling these products. You start like helping themselves. So you're helping them, then you also helping yourself. Yeah. So when someone buys, you get your profit from it. You get your commission from it. As simple as that. You see, yeah. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.